This is Aaron Hall from Galvin Engineering. Galvin Engineering have teamed up with Conti from Switzerland to bring you the latest electronic mixers. Today we'll be installing one of the new electronic mixers for Australia to be primarily used in public and private situations. So today we're going to install our Conti electronic mixer. It is a single temperature mixer that actually has a solar panel built into the top of it and is battery operated. This is how it will become packaged from Conti and brought into Australia through Galvin Engineering. Just pulled out our Conti Ultra electronic basin mixer out of its packaging. Just to give you a quick overview of the aesthetics of it, you'll notice on the top of the electronic mixer you've got actually a solar panel. There is also an LED display panel here which is actually not turned on, so you can't actually see it going at the moment. And you'll also notice you've actually got a sticker over the actual sensor. Now it's very important that you actually leave that on there until the power and the actual water is fully connected. So now that we've actually cleaned the benchtop, we're now going to install the electronic basin mixer. Now, being a battery, everything is above the bench. All you need to do is actually connect it up, hook it up from underneath, and attach the cold water. Let's go and do it. So right now I'm actually attached the horseshoe underneath the actual basin mixer and I'm just screwing that on to tighten it so it's secured to the benchtop. That will hold it in place, and then from there all you'll need to do is connect the water itself. Right now I'm just tightening it up with a wrench. Now I can definitely tell you just having the extended nut underneath makes life so much easier in actually installing these, especially in tight places. So what I'm doing here is connecting the actual tail from under the basin to a TMV, which is called a thermostatic mixing valve. It tempers the water, especially in public places and hospitals where people can scald themselves, so young children, elderly, anywhere where there's a public facility. Now that we've connected all the flexi tails to the actual water supply itself, what we want to do is actually turn it on and just see to make sure all our connections are tight and that no water's leaking out of the actual hoses. Now that we've actually connected the water supply to the electronic mixer, we're going to activate it. Now, activating a battery operated electronic mixer is quite easy. All it is just actually removing the sticker itself. So let me just go through a couple of features before we activate this electronic mixer. First off, you've got the built-in solar panel, so it's very energy efficient and also water saving. Second thing, it's got a bistable solenoid valve, so that will actually be a lot more efficient and can last a lot longer than normal solenoid valves. The third, it has actually got a great infrared sensors. So you've got infrared sensors that fan up and across, so it makes it easier to actually detect movement and actually activate quite fast. We're going to activate this electronic basin mixer. We're going to peel the sticker. It will then self-adjust, determining any reflections and shapes of the actual basin, including the material. Alright, now that we've actually activated the mixer itself, it's self-calibrated, so it's now ready to go. So the mixer is pretty much set and forget. So you can actually use it right now and it works instantly.